You work hard. You're ready for a change. You want your planter to work just as hard as you do. Want the newest planter technology without trading your planter? John Deere has just the solution for you. Planter performance upgrades. You can upgrade your planter to the latest technology, less costly than buying new. You'll get the same parts and software straight from the factory, installed on your current frame. You want your investment to bring you a return. Not only will these kits make your planter more accurate and productive, they will add resale value as well by providing you a new serial number for your planter's technology. Your John Deere planter is now just like new. You want your investment to be covered? Planter performance upgrades come with a 1-year warranty. Are you ready to optimize your John Deere planter and make the most of your planting window? Visit your John Deere dealer today and ask about planter performance upgrades.